Hi guys, we are in Vietnam for 10 days and we will be sharing all the information that you would need if you're planning your travel to Vietnam. In this series of Vietnam vlogs, we will be covering Ho Chi Minh City, Da Nang, Hoi An and Hanoi. So watch this full video to get detailed information on visa, SIM card, currency exchange, hotels, food, etc. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do that now. Thank you so much. We took a flight from Delhi to Ho Chi Minh City. Either you can take a flight to Ho Chi Minh City or Hanoi City. For Indians, visa on arrival is not an option, so you have to get your visa before you fly to Vietnam. For the visa application, you have to go to the immigration website, fill in the form, put in your scanned passport copy, your own picture, hotel name and address. Guys, don't forget to take a screenshot of the application number. It will take around 4 to 5 working days and you'll get your visa. The visa fees is $25, which is approximately 2300 Indian rupees, and the visa is valid for 30 days. As soon as we landed, we were damn hungry, so we sat at a cafe outside the airport. And let me tell you guys, the coconut coffee here was just to die for. It was so good. We downloaded the Grab app, which is similar to Uber or Ola in India, and the taxis over there are quite cheap. But if you take a taxi from the airport, then it's gonna be expensive, so I would highly recommend that you download the app Grab for taxis. After filling our stomach, we straight away went to our hotel. We were staying at Ramada and it's a 4-star property guys, and let me tell you, ये room बहुत ही छोटा था and इसका जो bath area था वो तो बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा था. So I would not recommend staying here if you are used to staying in 5-star properties and a big room and a big bath area. We took a shower, freshened up and headed to the city to explore the city. And let me tell you guys, Vietnam is famous for coffees. If you are a coffee lover, you must go to Vietnam and try their coffees. I'm in love with Vietnamese coffees. This cafe, I don't know how to pronounce it, but is very famous in Vietnam, in Ho Chi Minh City, and our hotel staff recommended this place, so we straight away went here. The vibe of this cafe is quite chill, and if you are a social media person, then you will love it because there were a lot of spots where you could take nice pictures and videos. We also took advantage of the aesthetics and took a lot of pictures and videos here. If you are a coffee lover and you like strong coffee, like good quality coffee, you have to come to this place. Please note down this place. And we also ordered chicken stew with rice, which was also good. It was okay. I mean, you can avoid eating here, but you have to have their coffee, guys. Then we headed to Saigon Central Post Office. It was constructed when Vietnam was part of French Indochina in the late 19th century. It was constructed between 1886 and 1891 and is now a tourist attraction. There is no entry fee to go to Saigon Central Post Office, and the timings are 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Look at that. It really is a tourist attraction place, guys. If you come here, you can definitely come here for the experience. So I bought a postcard here and I thought I would write a post to my parents expressing my love and care for them. And I was amazed to see that there were so many people who were writing postcards to their loved ones. And then you buy the stamp and then you just post it. It took like, I think, a month's time for my parents to receive that post. And guys, then it was time for the famous Ben Thanh market. If you come to Ho Chi Minh City, you can't miss going here. You will find a wide variety of goods including clothes, accessories, souvenirs, fresh produce, some local street food. The timings of this market are 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. and after that, from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. this converts into a night market. We shop for some nice coffee and souvenirs from here. The first shop that we went to buy coffee, we actually got fooled. This lady sold her coffee to us at a very high price. So guys, one of the things you have to remember when you shop at Bentham Market is that you have to bargain. I am a pro in bargain because I'm an Indian, so whatever price they were telling me, I will just make 1/3 of it and then start my bargaining. But you can definitely come to half of the price that they are asking for.
Medium?
Medium.
No, no.
Thank you.
200.
No, 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 no.
No, this one a best seller. Okay, I have a cheap one for you.
No, we want this only.
No, this one a best seller. No acid. No acidity. Body good, aroma good, and whole tea good.
So every shop has a grinder where they grind the coffee beans that you buy and convert it into powdered coffee. After some shopping, we were very hungry, so we went to McDonald's. Sorry guys, I just love fast food and I love McDonald's. And when you go outside India, the menu at McDonald's is not the same. The drinks are different, the burgers are different. So I just love trying McDonald's wherever I go. अलग-अलग तरह की sauces मिलती हैं यहाँ पे. Ketchup, chili oil and one is chili garlic. Big Mac. Cheeseburger खा रहे हैं हम. After that, we went back to the Bentham market and shopped for some more coffee. Now that I knew that I could bargain, I really wanted to bring the price down, and we went back and bought some new and nice coffees. And guys, look at that. That's snake wine. Yes, that is wine. यहाँ के लोग यही wine पीते हैं. So what they do is they keep this for years, and once it's ready, then they have it, and it's quite famous. So Highlands Coffee is a Vietnamese coffee brand, and like in India you will find McDonald's on every street, you will find Highlands Coffee in Vietnam on every street. The coffees here are reasonably priced and they are good quality coffees. During the 10 days trip, I actually tried all of their coffees, and my favorite was Vietnamese coffee, which is black coffee with condensed milk. I think it's the first on their menu. Manhar got a great deal on their tumbler, so he bought that also, which we got back to India, and now he takes that to work every single day. Then we went to a supermarket to buy some snacks, and we ended up buying a lot of things from here because if you compare the price to India, यहाँ पे price बहुत ज़्यादा कम था. ₹1 में बताओ कितने की है?
ये हुई ऑलमोस्ट 55 रुपीज़.
55 रुपीज़.
ये कैन.
और ये दिल्ली में मिलती है 300 समथिंग की, राइट? This is our day 2 in Ho Chi Minh City. We woke up and had breakfast at our hotel Ramada, and luckily, fortunately, the breakfast was just so good. यहाँ के लोग जो ब्रेकफास्ट में खाते हैं वो है चिकन फ़र या पोर्क फ़र, और मैंने भी वही ट्राई करा एंड इट वाज सो गुड गाइस. इट वाज सो गुड कि अब वापस आने के बाद भी इंडिया में मैंने वो रेसिपी सीख ली और मैं कभी कभी यहाँ पे भी वही खाती हूँ. And then we got ready and went out to explore Ho Chi Minh City a little more. We are coffee lovers, so हमारा दिन start होना ही था कॉफ़ी से. So we went to this famous cafe, and this cafe was full. There was a waiting. They have 2 floors and both were full. Luckily, we got a table within a few minutes of waiting, and we ordered a coffee. They served the coffee in the typical Vietnamese way, which is with a filter. This is the filter. इसमें coffee brew हो रही है.
नहीं, पर पानी गिर क्यों नहीं रहा?
And this is the coffee with condensed milk, but we want to have cold, so we shift it to an iced glass.
And now you can Can you put it over?
Mix it, no?
This is perfect. Okay.
This coffee was good, but it wasn't great that we would go back to this cafe to have the same coffee. We would rather try something else. Manhar wanted to try a street style coffee, so we stopped at a street vendor and we ordered a coffee. Thank you. It was a lovely gesture to give us the welcome drink. It was some kind of tea that is famous in Vietnam. But to be honest, guys, this coffee wasn't really great, but it was okay. While exploring Ho Chi Minh City, we were on the streets and we came across this luxury street where you could find almost all luxury brands. But as I have read online, the brands over here are as expensive as they are in India or any other country, so you won't get discount if you shop from here. By this time I was very hungry and I wanted to try the street side food, so we went to this local shop there and we sat there and I ordered something. So this is pork rice duck egg, which was not good. I didn't like this food at all, guys. Then we went to Saigon Square. It's again like Bentham Market, but it's fully air conditioned and you get better quality goods over there.
3,000 đồng Việt Nam.
What is it called?
Nó đòi có 40 rồi kìa.
Name.
Name. Rồi chalo koi.
Rồi đồ lấy trong chùm này nè.
Lấy chùm nào lấy vào đây cũng đang lấy trong đây.
Xem.
This is Ram Bhutan. नहीं अच्छा give. After walking so much, we really wanted to have something refreshing and healthy, so we went for coconut water, guys. This coconut water was the sweetest I've had in my entire life. It was just so good. Yeah. Guys, don't forget to have the cream inside the coconut after you finish drinking the coconut water. How could we not go for a massage? Guys, Vietnam is famous for massages and I would highly recommend that you also get a foot massage done for sure if you are in Ho Chi Minh City. I call it the happening street. It's the Bui Vien Street, which is also known as the Western Street in Ho Chi Minh City. It's called the Western Street because of its Western culture orientated features. You will find a lot of Vietnamese pubs that have pavement sitting where they serve beer and food. If you're someone who has interest in history, then you must take the city tour in Ho Chi Minh City. They take you to different places such as War Museum, Independence Palace, and many other places. Guys, it's our third day in Ho Chi Minh City and we booked a tour for Co Chi Tunnels and Mekong Delta. This is our tour guide who was quite proficient in English and we went in a group. If you want to know what we did in Co Chi Tunnels and Mekong Delta and how much it costed us and what all was included, please watch our next vlog. So I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe to the channel.